Both chambers of Congress have passed a bill extending the validity of the 2019 national budget. Will the President support it considering that it goes against his EO 91? Na-text ko to sa inyo, sir, when you were in Korea. The EO sets a cash-based budgeting system which basically dapat lahat ng appropriations nga ginagastos during the same year.
Basta ganun pa rin ang policy ni President. Basta it is in violation of the Constitution, he will veto it. Hindi naman nababago yan.
Kung may EO, you're the Chief Legal Counsel, you said it, kung mag-violate ng Constitution, if it's an EO, and then that bill may go against that EO, paano po ba yun, sir?
Hindi. If the EO was made by the President, that means the assumption there is regularity and therefore in accord with the Constitution.
And you expect all laws or bills passed to comply with the EO? Ganun ba yun?
Dapat.
Okay. So the President is not inclined to support the extension?
Kung in violation of the Constitution, he will not support it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.